Hiya, welcome back to my channel. Many thanks for stopping by. I'm so glad that I'm back on the internet now. I was sharing my neighbours because the signal wasn't very strong. I did have a lot of problems watching videos. I just thought that I would come on and make a video quickly to show you how I'm clearing out all my savings challenges. I'm going back and looking at what I want and what I don't want, because you know, you've heard of that saying, waste not, want not. I really can't afford, if I'm going to be honest, to keep on buying savings challenges. So I'd like to repurpose and recycle some of what I have. So I was just going over some of them, and these are some that I'm going to try and organize and see what I can do. Now this one, for instance, this is the My Money Matters Thank You Cash Challenge, where I can start this one back up again because I didn't finish it. I need to repurpose some of them. Here's another one, this little calf saved 200 challenge, where I'm going to clean that off and then I can reuse it. I can't afford to throw things out. I just can't. Like the 52-week challenge, I may not do that again, or the I did like the £5 savings challenge, so I'm going to keep that one. I'm not sure about this one as well. I love the roll the dice challenges. I will always keep the roll the dice challenges, and the 3 months challenge was one of my favorites out of the ones that I got from She's on a Budget. Yeah, this one was my favorite, so I'll definitely keep that. There's a 52 weeks and a 6 months challenge here that I'm gonna get rid of, and the self-care one, I think I'm going to keep that. And I've got this one that I want to start. I'm going to just put it on some thicker cardstock and cut it out because you know I love my card games, and this one is from Red to Black Budgeting. That one I'm going to keep as well. That's from Red to Black Budgeting as well. I just wanted to come and share it with you, you know, just so you know, you can see what I get up to. This I made on my Cricut Joy, and I use my Dymo label maker for these ones, so I can easily take them off, and they do have a sticky residue behind it once you take them off. It might leave the shape of the sticker on it, but that sticky residue is gone. But I'm repurposing them. I can't afford to throw them out. Goodness me, no, not at all. I've been alternating the challenges, and it's been working really good for me, and then it gives me a chance to use more of the challenges, if that makes sense. So I'm really happy with that. That's what I really just wanted to come and show you. That's what I'm doing at the moment. I'm tidying up, clearing out my budgeting box. I've got some challenges here. I got these from Parker T Printables. I've just finished Let's Get to 100. I shrunk it down and I was using it as £5 each circle on the boxes, but where it says 1k, it is not 1k. This does not add up to 1k. I made this one a good couple of years ago that I didn't use. It's the Christmas wreaths. So I want to just use these things up. These I'm definitely keeping. I just thought I would show you what I'm up to and the state of my craft room table. But it's all good. It's better to get things organized, and you know where you stand really. What have I got in here? See, these ones as well I'm going to get rid of. I don't want these ones. I definitely want the roll the dices. You know what I'm like. The penny challenge I don't want. Actually, I'm gonna keep this little calf save 200 challenge. Yeah, so these ones, if you want any of these, please don't hesitate to email me or leave me a message in the comments, and I'll be happy to post these to you as long as you're in the UK. If you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell in order to receive notifications as to when I upload my new videos. Take care of your good selves, and I'll see you back soon. Bye for now. Bye.